Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Eevee. This special Pokémon is a rare find in the Hisui region, known for its larger size and enhanced power. While challenging to encounter, securing one can significantly boost your team. We will cover its spawn locations, optimal hunting methods, and the unique advantages it offers. Prepare for an exciting hunt to add this formidable Eevee to your collection. Alpha Eevee can appear in several areas where regular Eevee are found. Key locations include Horseshoe Plains in the Obsidian Fieldlands, Crossing Slope in the Cobalt Coastlands, and Avalug's Legacy in the Alabaster Icelands. While it can spawn in any of these spots, its appearance is quite rare. Focus your search in these designated zones for the best chance to spot this elusive Pokémon. To maximize your chances of finding an Alpha Eevee, prioritize mass outbreaks. These events greatly increase the likelihood of Alpha Pokémon appearing. Additionally, keep an eye out for space-time distortions, as Alpha Eevee can also emerge from these anomalies. If you do not find one, try resetting the area by returning to Jubilife Village or resting at a camp to refresh spawns. Many trainers find success during morning or midday hours. Catching an Alpha Eevee offers significant advantages for your team. These Pokémon are notably larger and boast superior base stats compared to their regular counterparts. They also begin with higher effort levels, giving them an immediate combat edge. Crucially, an Alpha Eevee will maintain its alpha status when it evolves, allowing you to have a powerful alpha evolution. They might even know a special move not usually learned by their species.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.